Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator of a Smart 4 2014 model after changing the tires or a flat tire. After repairing it, you have to get rid of that indicator. I'm going to show you I can do that by entering a secret menu in the dashboard. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Tpms sensors, change languages, service indicators. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn the ignition on, this indicator pops up and I'm going to show you I can get rid of that. First of all, press OK to get rid of that indicator. Then you can go through the menu by pressing these two buttons over here. Go through the menu to find change settings, this one and this one. Once you are there, press the OK button, then go down to tire pressure monitor, press OK, then confirm with going to yes indicator, press OK again, and as you can see, this indicator over here disappeared, and this indicator says that the tire pressure indicator has been restarted. And then if you start the car, the indicator for the tire pressure won't pop up anymore. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.